lemonade, I think.
Hey, what are you doing drinking my steroids and eating my Play-Doh?
Why do you eat Play-Doh?
Because it makes me stronger. So, this is our menu. What would you like today?
Can I have the... What's actually in the small fruit dish?
3 baby bananas, 3 baby pears, 3 baby apples, 3 normal strawberries, our normal grapes, and our specialty big grape.
Okay, all of that, please.
Okay. Your fruit dish, sir.
What should I eat first? I think I'll try a mini grape. Waiter, come here.
Yes, sir.
What is this? It tastes like it's rotten or something.
Oh, well, sorry, you must not have read the menu correctly. Read the fine print.
Small fruit dish made in Play-Doh.
It is a Play-Doh fruit dish, sir.
I thought this was a fancy restaurant.
Sir, that will cost you $100.
What?